Hey guys, what the freak is up? I am quickly getting ready. I am shooting for Coach. Anthony is going to be helping me take these photos and kind of help creatively direct this shoot of mine. But yeah, so I'll be with Anthony in a second. He's like my all-in-one BFF brother slash creative director slash artist slash designer slash stylist of my life. But yeah, I'm trying to just like do my hair slightly because I got it done yesterday. You know, like when you get it done and then it's just like, it gets flat on the top and the curls fall, but looks good, right? Looks okay. Sorry for the absolute horrible angle. It's just kind of like what I'm working with right now. But the outfit that I'm wearing, I picked out and I'm actually really excited. I haven't worn the kind of shorts that I'm gonna be wearing. It's gonna be a vibe. It's gonna be a cool little vibe. I'm actually gonna go do that now. I'm gonna go put my outfit on and show it to y'all. I don't know what the freak I'm doing. I'm just like going crazy at this point. Also, sorry that I just haven't vlogged. Guys, life is just really funny sometimes. Life is life, and I feel like recently I've been really putting my mental health before anything else. I've been like making sure that I'm not pushing myself to a point of self-destruction, I guess you could say. So I feel like I've just been all over the place with filming and whatnot, but I promise I'm gonna try my best to get back into it as consistently as possible, but just bear with me. I promise I'm not quitting YouTube. I'm not doing it. I promise, I make a promise. Okay, I'm gonna go put on the outfit so y'all can see it. So this is the outfit. I didn't even put it on yet. I probably should have put it on beforehand. Also, don't worry, I'm gonna be doing my lips. My lips look really bare right now. I'm gonna do them, don't you worry. So this sweater, so sick. I'm obsessed. It has a little everything bagel on it. These shorts are so cool. For the longest time, I for some reason never thought I could pull them off, but I decided to pick these ones out and wear them in the shoot because why not? They're like a little longer boy shorts. I'm gonna pair them with some like cream socks and some orange sneakers, and then this is the Coach purse, which I'm so obsessed with. It's so cute. I'm gonna go put that together real quick. Okay, so this is the outfit. That's like this is the full fit. With the purse, I'm actually vibing with it. Granted, it's like 90 degrees in LA right now and the sun is beginning to like slowly start going down, but like, it's fine. But yeah, I'm like vibing with it. I really like the orange sneakers with the orange on the shirt and then the cream bunched up socks and then the shorts. These shorts are really cool. I actually really like them. And then the Coach purse. Hold on. I need your guys' help. What do I wear for earrings? I do like big chunky because my hair. I'm for sure gonna have to wear a tank underneath this and put this on over there. I just wish it wasn't 10,000 degrees right now in LA because like I'm kind of vibing with the fit. I'm gonna go do my lips, pack my stuff, and then I have to go. Okay, see you guys in a second. So guys, I'm at Anthony's now and he just yelled at me because my sneakers were tied too tight. Like, that's what they looked like. And he said, that's too tight. So now I'm trying to figure it out. I didn't know that you're supposed to have them kind of loose. Is that like a thing everyone knows?
Bro, don't suffocate your piggies.
The fact that you're calling toes piggies.
That's what they're called.
No.
They're piggies. And yours were literally screaming, bro.
Sweating. We're all sweating.
Bro.
Yeah, it was like 90 degrees, guys. Okay, wait, so like all of these are supposed to be loose?
Look at them. How they
So like that? Like this?
Yeah. Do you see how this is bunched up? That's because you're suffocating your piggies.
Also, I have a skinny foot.
I don't care, dude.
Oh no, they're uneven.
Riveting content, right?
So Auntie's decided to wear a beanie and it's 90 degrees outside.
It's because I support my friend JC.
Oh, right.
You know JC Kalen?
No.
He's a YouTuber.
He goes, but I look cool. Okay, so I decided to keep my white t-shirt underneath. Ties together the socks. Yeah, so Anthony wants me to put this hat on with it. I'm not gonna put it on just this second because it'll ruin my hair, but yeah, just like that. Yeah, we'll probably toss this on at some point.
Go back up to the top and like come down fast.
My eyes got watery. We almost got caught. No, I know what you're gonna say.
Who I am. Bro, stay back.
Oh.
We're shooting in here. Tell them what you were afraid of.
Anthony wanted me to jump off of this thing to the ground.
That's how high that is, just so we're clear.
I got scared.
She was afraid to jump off.
Wait, can you imitate my face? No.
That's how you jumped off, bro.
No, I went like straight, whatever. Guys are getting good pics, I think.
I think. Oh, don't make that thing. This sucks and I'm bored.
Well,
Oh.
I'm paying you.
Okay.
I'm not.
Wow.
I'm not paying him.
Wow.
It works. You're like me something fun, like.
Nice. That was fun.
Hello. Oh.
Go back.
Why'd you take so long? Okay guys, so we just got back from shooting. It was a success. I gotta get the photos developed tomorrow morning. What are we doing now?
Bro, you won't leave.
What are we doing now? The funny thing is we're both going back to my place. So okay guys, so it's the next day and my hair, I'm like literally just a wreck and a half. I got up, I dropped my film off, so hopefully I will get those photos back today so I could see how they came out. I was really excited about how the shoot went. It went really smoothly. It was good. Anthony did great. Thank you, Anthony. But now I'm headed off to film with Bob's. Bob's wants to film a video this afternoon, so I'm gonna go do that in a second. And then I have a pre-Oscars party tonight, which I'm actually really excited about because I'm gonna be like dressing up. So I'll probably film myself getting ready for that too. I'm gonna be going with Anne-Marie Neza and I believe Crawford. Remember those videos OG YouTube would do, like what's in my purse type of thing? Last night I went out and I just crammed everything into this black purse. Well, not even that I crammed everything in here, I just always have so much stuff in my purse, and every time I'm looking for stuff I just like can never find it because there's just so much stuff in it. So I thought I would do a what's in my purse with this tiny little black purse. It's so heavy, it's so dense, has so much stuff in it, and I'm like, what do I have in here? What could I possibly have in this little purse? Okay, let's do it. An empty mint bag. That's good. My Vax card. Get vaccinated. How to floss under my permanent retainers from my dentist. A receipt. The easy through floss thread thing. Floss threaders. More receipts. I'm gonna have so many receipts in here. More receipts and more receipts. My wallet, of course. A little clippy poo. You always need one of those, right? Okay, like how do I have this big charger in here? I don't know. Okay, keys. Here are my car keys. I don't know. More receipts. A mint from church. My lip liner. Oh my god, guys. Okay, I'm gonna put you on to like my favorite lip combo of all time right now. I'll show it to y'all when I get ready tonight for the party, like how it looks on my lips. I was wearing it yesterday when I was shooting in my Coach outfit, so that's what it looks like, but I can show y'all again. I like to line my lip first with the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in Iconic Nude. It's like a darker, like mauve-y nude color. And then I like to go over it with Pillow Talk lip liner by Charlotte Tilbury. And I put that over that one, and then I fill in my lips with it, and then I'll put in like a little bit of like Vaseline just to like give my lips a little like moisturization. But this has been like my go-to favorite lip combo. I also been using another one when I want a darker lip, but this is like the golden duo right there. I'm obsessed. Oh, and then I have my Too Faced Lip Injection Gloss. That's like when I want a little oomph on my lips. I got my Kapari Lip Glossy. I remember I used to hate lip stuff and like I love them now. Blistex Chapstick. Another lip product. Roll-on lip gloss. Expressions. More receipts. More receipts. Floss. Oh, I've been looking for these. My hair clips. My little flat clips that I use when I'm doing my makeup to like flatten my hair down. Oh my god, wait, here it is. This is the other lip liner I was talking about. It's Makeup by Mario. Shade Travis, I believe. Yes. It's so pretty. It's like this more of a brownie nude and I'm obsessed with it. Oh my god, my earrings. I've been looking for them too. I've been looking for my little gold hoops. My AirPods. More receipts. Okay, that's it, people. Ew, look how ugly this all looks. Like that's just all of that fit in this. I don't know how that was possible. I don't want to do my hair for Bobby's video, so I'm putting this hat on. I love putting these sunglasses on and literally being like, nobody speak to me, because that's like the energy I get. I'm like, nobody speak to me. Okay guys, I'm gonna go film with Bob's and then I'll be back. I'll just bring my camera so y'all can say hi to him real quick. Okay, bye. Nobody speak to me. Hi, can I get an iced grande coffee with hazelnut syrup and a dash of oat milk, please? Hi, told us to be $3.45. Perfect, thank you. Guys, you just know I had to come grab a coffee. There was just no way in hell I was gonna go on with my day and not grab a Starbucks on this hot, fine afternoon. Okay guys, say hi to Bob's.
Hey!
We're filming right now.
Literally.
Yeah, we're filming for his channel, but I just wanted y'all.
This is my channel now.
We just wanted to say hi.
Hey.
We wanted to show y'all what we're eating real quick because we're gonna do a mukbang for his channel. I'm like this.
It's true.
We're just showing you what we ate. I mean, what we're going to eat. Okay, which one is mine?
And then you guys say which one do you think is better that you would like.
So we got sweet greens and
Sweet greens.
I got the chicken pesto parm warm bowl. Mine looks great.
Okay, mine looks a little messy.
Yours looks effed.
Okay, put it side by side, see which one they would pick.
Okay.
Ooh, yours looks kind of cleaner.
Because it is. Let's see. Ooh. Taste test real quick.
Taste test it.
5, 6, 7, 8.
That was the biggest bite I've seen. Oh.
I wish I had more dressing. It's alright though. It's good. It's good. It's good.
I could pour some of my water in it.
Ew.
I don't know.
Okay, so I got home and I got a package in the mail and it is my impression kit for my teeth. So you guys are probably like, wait, what? I'm getting braces! I'm gonna do the overnight braces though. So the company, it's so funny, this is not a brand deal at all. I'm just like mentioning it. Using this company called Bite. I've been wanting to straighten, like you probably can't even see, there's one tooth that's crooked on my top row of teeth. I had braces in the past and the reason my teeth are crooked is because I didn't wear my retainer like continuously. I was annoying and never wore it. So because I didn't wear my retainer, my teeth shifted in the front. My bottom teeth never shifted because I have a permanent retainer on my bottom row of teeth. So I remember doing like the whole Invisalign thing where it's like during the day I had to wear braces and stuff, but it's just so hard wearing them throughout the day for me. So I didn't know they had night retainer, like night braces. So I just have to wear them continuously at night for, it's like over 10 hours every night. But that's easy because like at night, like I could just pop them in even before bed, like when I'm just laying in bed doing nothing. So that's just a lot more reasonable for me. It like makes more sense for my type of lifestyle. I didn't even know they existed. If you need to straighten your teeth and you feel like you can't just do it during the day, check out the overnight ones. But anyways, I have to do like the impressions so that they can like fit my teeth. You look good, but you're about to look better. This looks too complicated for me right now. I personally, to be completely honest, should not be held responsible to do this for myself. I feel like for sure a dentist should be doing this. Okay, no, it's gonna be easy, it's gonna be fine. Hold for 3.5 minutes. Ow! Yeah, perfect. This is the craziest thing of all time. Here we go. Impression time. This is gonna make me gag. I already know it. 5, 6, 7, 8. I hated that. I had to concentrate so hard so that I would not gag. That's it. I did it. I did it. I did it. It's worth it. I'm gonna get straight teeth. Okay guys, so I am doing my makeup. I'm so excited for this party tonight. I'm dressing like up, and I haven't dressed up like this in so long, so I'll show you my outfit and the final look in just a second. But I turned on the camera because I told myself a couple hours ago, I was on Instagram and I scrolled through something that I was like, I want to share it on camera. So that's why I was like, I need to remember, and I just remembered. So if y'all don't know, March is Women's History Month, which is so important. Us women are freaking amazing. Women rock. Let me just say that. I just want to share some crazy facts that I saw online. I was on Instagram and, you know, someone made a Women's History Month like carousel on Instagram with like all these facts, and I was like, I feel like I learned this in school, but I don't remember. This is what it said. Did you know that in the US, women weren't legally allowed to have a bank account until the 1960s? What do you mean? And then it says, and up until the Equal Credit Opportunity Act passed in 1974, many banks only granted credit cards to women with their husbands' signatures and outright refused them to unmarried women. So, first of all, women couldn't even have bank accounts up until the 1960s, which is crazy because I feel like that's kind of the time that our parents were born. It wasn't really that long ago. And then it says that we weren't allowed to have credit cards unless our husband signed off on it. Talk about not being able to be independent. Like, that's just like BS to me, which is insane. It's just like we've come so far as humans, as the world. Like, it's just insane to me. And then it said less than half as century later, women, and specifically women of color, are making waves in entrepreneurship, while many also serving as sole providers for their households. 44% of women, compared with 14% of men, reported being the sole caretaker of a household, and even more acting as primary caregivers for their children. And that being said, it's just so important that we talk about family support, paid time off, just knowing that women have that large foundational support system, you know, especially women that are having babies and they need to take off from work, and you know, some companies won't pay them, which is BS. It's like, hey, some of us are gonna have babies, so we still gotta survive. It really is important to talk about it, and it's really honestly important and amazing just to see how far we have come as women, because we clearly weren't treated equally 100 years ago, and we have made such a strong stance for ourselves since then. Sorry for my little rant. I was like, I need to tell them this. I need to say this on camera, because I blew my mind. I was like, what do you mean before the 1960s women weren't allowed to have bank accounts? What? That's so insane to me. Okay, I'm gonna finish up my makeup. I'm going to put on my dress. Yeah, I'm gonna show you all the final look. I'm so excited. I like feel like a princess tonight. Here we are, final looks, people, before heading out. Here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Bing. Can you even see us? I hope. You know, we said I look like the salsa emoji. She's like this, like that.
I don't wear dresses ever, so this is a first.
Yeah, I haven't worn a dress like this in probably 20 years.
I haven't gotten like this ready for something nice in a long time, so.
So this is our outfit.
So this is, take it in, everyone.
Take it in, because this is probably,
It'll never happen.
yeah, this is like the best we're gonna get. We are late, guys, so we have to,
Per usual.
we have to skadoodle. I love you, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. All right, bye. See you later.
Bye.